Using the ElectricKit Advanced is an effective and more state-of-the-art way to control your cooker, giving it a modern and sleek design to fit into a new kitchen. To control the hobs and ovens, it's as easy as selecting the zones you need and choosing the desired temperatures. You can choose between solid, induction, or radiant hobs to fit into any kitchen design. This conversion can also be set to turn on or off ovens independently using the built-in 24/7 timer. The rest function also is able to be accessed from the home screen for instant resting of the ovens. For more functionality, the conversion also uses a Wi-Fi device that lets you control the cooker through the use of a tablet or mobile phone. This means you can get your ovens to temperature before you get home, and send you alerts to let you know that your cooking is done with the use of a cook timer. You have full control of the screen's display options, such as the backlight timer length. You also have the option of a remote screen for your kitchen side, for those who would want a more accessible view of the screen. And with the addition of the lock screen, it means unwanted hands can't disrupt your cooking, while still being able to view your temperatures. For more information, visit our website in the description below.